Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel, and today in this video I would like to show you how to fix your Facebook Messenger is not opening problem. So let's begin our video. So first you need to go your Play Store and then go to search bar. Go to search bar and type Messenger, and you need to check out your Facebook Messenger is updated or not. There you can see my Messenger is updated. So don't worry, just you need to move for second step. So for second step you can see your option settings. You need to go your phone settings. You need to find out apps or apps management option. But my phone have only apps. Just open it. Then go to manage apps. Then type for Messenger. Open it. And then on the bottom you can see clear data. Select it. Then select clear case. Then select OK. That's it. Now you can open your Messenger, and your Messenger is not opening problem already solved. So hope guys this video can help you. Don't forget to like and subscribe.